There must be a lot of preparation about your hostel.
Yes, अगर आप हॉस्टल में आ रहे हो, ऑफकोर्स आपको मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तैयारी करके आना ही है. प्रिपरेशंस आर ऑल्सो डन, बट इतनी प्रिपरेशंस आर ऑल्सो नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट.
People say that लड़कियां घर से दूर अकेले नहीं रह पाएंगी या कैसे रह पाएंगी.
ये जो सोसाइटी की सोच है कि लड़कियां अकेले नहीं रह सकती इज वेरी बैड, बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो हैव द राइट टू स्टडी अ लॉट, टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन अवर लाइव्स एंड इन करियर्स. यहाँ पे क्लास 3, क्लास 4 की भी छोटी छोटी लड़कियां पढ़ती हैं. दे नो हाउ टू मैनेज देयर टाइम्स. जब वो रह सकती है तो हम क्यों नहीं.
One piece of advice you would like to give your younger self.
Balance everything. From my personal view, I plan my day very clearly कि अब ये करना है, अब वो करना है, but things are not going as I have planned. As a hostler, you will face the problem of doing everything timely, in discipline.
Do you think that hostel makes student emotionally more stronger?
जब मैं यहाँ पहले आई थी, I thought I am able to handle everything, my studies, my sports, my preps, my all. I realized after 1 month that I am unable to do my self study also. I am stressed out a lot. जब तक आपके पास कोई चीज़ होती है तब तक आपको उसकी वैल्यू बिल्कुल नहीं होती है, बट जब जैसी वो चीज़ आपके पास से जाती है ना, आपको उसकी तुरंत वैल्यू समझ में आ जाती है.
Same classroom, same school, but very different stories. Vande Matram everyone and welcome back to Rubaru, our very own podcast where we get real about school life. Today's episode is very special because it's not just a topic, it is our real lives. I am Suhani Upadhyay, a proud day scholar and your host for today. And with me is a superstar hostler, Aradhya Srivastav. Welcome to Rubaru, Aradhya. What do you think today's episode is going to be like?
Hi everyone. I think today's episode is going to be like very interesting. Like hostelers and day scholars journey are beyond like anyone can think also. Like they are having different stories, different struggles, but from the same journey as school. So let's see what happens.
Absolutely, and let's expose school together. So Radha, my first question is, when you first came to hostel, what was it like? What was your first day really trauma or a lifetime memory?
Actually, my first day on hostel was on 6th April 2025. My mother and my elder brother came to visit this hostel, and my mother came to my room to rearrange the almiras and beds. So she was very concerned about me कि अकेले रह लोगी ना. So she was very like concerned कि you have to do this, you have to arrange this like this, and you have to sanitize this, all that. But when she had gone, I felt a like drastic change in my heart कि how will be I able to do with like by alone. So but when I went to my room, I had saw my one roommate. She was very interesting. Like we talked the whole night about our families, and we didn't know when we had fallen asleep. And the next morning, when we had gone to the school, we explored new things, and that was very like experiencing the new challenges in your life. So that's all.
So there must be a lot of preparation about your hostel because it's your first hostel. So there must be so many preparation. How was like that?
Yes, preparations are also there because अगर आप हॉस्टल में आ रहे हो, ऑफ कोर्स आपको मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तैयारी करके आना ही है. एंड आई आस्क्ड माय एल्डर ब्रदर्स और सिस्टर्स हु हैड लाइक मतलब अपना रहते थे हॉस्टल्स में पहले. So they were like कि you have to put the things there, you have to focus on your academics more. In this time schedule, you have to do like that. Or so I personally say you that preparations are also done, but itni preparations are also not important.
I think there is a difference between college hostel and school hostel. So
Yes, of course.
must be very different. Okay, so Radhya, being a girl and staying in hostel, because एक होता है people say that लड़कियां घर से दूर अकेले नहीं रह पाएंगी या कैसे रह पाएंगी. So how was that? How would you answer people like that?
That's very important question. There's a common stereotype कि लड़कियां अकेले नहीं रह सकती. मतलब ये जो सोसाइटी की सोच है कि लड़कियां अकेले नहीं रह सकती इज़ वेरी बैड, बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो हैव द राइट टू स्टडी अ लॉट, टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन अवर लाइफ एंड इन करियर्स. सो आई थिंक कि ये सोच इज़ वेरी लाइक रॉन्ग. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, इन दिस हॉस्टल वी कम थ्रू द थिंग्स दैट यहाँ पे क्लास 3 क्लास 4 की भी छोटी छोटी लड़कियाँ पढ़ती हैं. एंड देवर लाइक कि बिना पेरेंट्स से मतलब कांटेक्ट में ज़्यादातर रहे हुए, दे आर लाइक डिसिप्लिन्ड एंड दे नो हाउ टू मैनेज देयर टाइम्स. सो आई थिंक जब वो रह सकती हैं तो हम क्यों नहीं. और ज़्यादातर लोग कहते हैं कि लड़कियां वीक होती हैं, हैंडल नहीं कर पाती, बट ये हॉस्टल उस सोच को हमेशा गलत प्रूफ कर देता है. एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट. सो दोज पीपल हु थिंक्स दिस, हम संभालना जानते हैं, हमें पता है कैसे करना है. दैट्स ऑल.
Yeah.
So Suhani, but I also want to ask you that being a girl, how do you manage your life as a day scholar?
I think being a girl is itself a challenge. Don't you think so?
Yes, I think.
I mean, there is a lot of responsibility over you. You have to go through every expectation from you. And as being a day scholar, I am closer to the society. We always hear comments, you know, in relative or friends. There always some stereotypical or orthodox people who will come, who will try to demotivate me. But at the end of the day, I am strong. I know who I am and I cope up with it because it's my life. I know how I'm balancing things. I know how I'm living it. So I know, and nobody else can change my mind.
Yes, of course.
Okay, Radhya, let's step into each other's shoes for a day. Imagine if you were a day scholar for a day. What do you do?
If I were a day scholar or for a day, I will go all out. Like I'll go shopping with my friends, with my parents and my siblings. And then I will, when I feel tired and when I feel that I want a peaceful place, then I'll go to a temple or a park, because in hostel you are not allowed to move here and there without permission. There are some boundaries. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई विड मिस दैट मम्मी का डांटना, बिकॉज जब तक मेरी मम्मा मुझे एक भी दिन में एक भी बार नहीं डांटती हैं, आई फील स्ट्रेंज कि सब ठीक तो है ना. तो इसलिए आई डिड मिस दैट. एंड बियॉन्ड दैट, आई इन हॉस्टल वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू कीप डिवाइसेस, सो दैट नो डिस्ट्रैक्शन वाला फेस भी रहता है. So Suhani, I would also like to ask you that if you were a hostler for a day, what would you do?
That is a very interesting question, and I think I would go all out. I have always imagined things कि जो भी मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि वो चीज़ें घर पे नहीं हो सकती हैं. There is a list of things I want to do with my friends. One day independent in school, I would dance, karaoke and everything, and pranks obviously, because hostel में है और pranks ना हो ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. So pranks and all, and मतलब everything I would do. And एक दिन तो इंडिपेंडेंस का मिलेगी and मैं उसका फुल यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. एंड फन फैक्ट कि मैं एक दिन के लिए हॉस्टलर बनी थी. You know, once we had to go to Lucknow. So we had to stay the night. So that day, more than the trip, more than the competition, my favorite part of that trip was staying in hostel. Like all my classmates were there in one room. We talked a lot. We did everything. And I think that will forever be my memory. It will live in my head rent free.
It is true कि हॉस्टल में फ्रीडम होती है बट कंफर्ट नहीं, एंड घर पे कंफर्ट होता है बट फ्रीडम नहीं.
So true. Okay, so Aradhya, what is that one habit that if any day scholar saw, they will be so shocked?
The habit that a day scholar will see is being like disciplined all the time and being on time all the time. Like day scholars have the option to say that it's okay if I will be late 5 minutes. But us, we feel that हमें चांस ही नहीं मिलता कहने का कि 5 मिनट और. We have a fixed schedule, fixed timing, but it's also good for us. Like discipline, time management is very important in our life. So that's all.
So you cherish it.
Yes.
Okay, so according to you, what is the most hardest part of being a hosteler?
The hardest part of being a hosteler is like you have to go to school every day. Every single day you have to go school.
No casual leaves.
Yes. जैसे हॉस्टलर्स क्या कहते हैं कि जब तक सिक नहीं हो जाते तब तक they have to go to school. But day scholars have an option कि वो एक लीव तो ले ही सकते हैं एक वीक में एक भी बार. So that's my like hardest part of being a hostler. And in spite of this, I also had concluded that whether it's a day scholar or hosteler, we face very like as a student we face struggle in our life to balance academics, to balance our sports, to balance our creative mindset. And I want to also ask you that what is the hardest part of yours?
I think that both of their lives, hostel or day scholar, both have their own challenges.
Yes.
We also have to balance everything. I mean, sometimes switching from one role to another role gets very exhausting and overwhelming. For some time you have to take all the responsibility of the school, and at the other time you have to also take care of your home's responsibilities, and just एक role से दूसरे role पे ऐसे switch करते रहते हैं. And मतलब sometimes it feels very frustrating. ऐसा मन करता है just leave everything and go. But there is one thing which I hate the most is waking up early just to travel by bus. I mean, if the school is of 8 o'clock, our bus comes at 6:40. And it's not about मतलब नींद पूरी नहीं होना या something like that. It's just feel unfair. क्यों? क्योंकि we are waking up early just to travel. We are not gaining something from waking up early. So it feels unfair. So it's like that. Okay, so what is that one piece of advice you would like to give your younger self or anyone who's coming to hostel?
That is very important question, but it is very like situationship type of moment that I have to give one advice only, because there are many advices from me, but the most one that I love is to balance everything. Like things will not go as you have planned. Like from my personal view, I plan my day very clearly कि अब ये करना है, अब वो करना है, but things are not going as I have planned. So problem यहीं आ जाती है. And as a hostler, you will face the problem of doing everything timely, in discipline, with the strictness also. So that's the thing.
And any personal advice?
Personal advice is bring your achar with you.
Oh, achar is mandatory, right?
That's-
Okay, so what from your perspective, how does it feel to spend entire day with friends?
I feel like friends are very important in our life. Like in hostel also I see कि फ्रेंड्स के बिना आप enjoy नहीं कर पाओगे. How will you be able to enjoy by your alone? Like you have to be in your company na.
I think friends are very important part of school life.
Yes. Day scholar, I have also day scholar friends like you also, but my best friend is a day scholar actually, and we discuss our daily life struggles, our stories, our family problems, all we discuss, and we study together. We are not in a rush to like blow it out everywhere. We discuss it, we share, and if we don't find out a solution, we also say कि but ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Actually I feel beyond that कि प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लोग कहते हैं कि हॉस्टलर है तो सिर्फ हॉस्टल के ही फ्रेंड होंगे, बट इन माई सेक्शन आई सी कि डे स्कॉलर्स और हॉस्टलर्स की फ्रेंडशिप आर लाइक वेरी मच ग्रेट. हॉस्टलर्स और डे स्कॉलर्स ऐसे साथ में रहते हैं यहाँ पे जैसे कोई अलग ही नहीं है, सब एक ही साथ हैं. मुझे तो हाथ से खिलाया जाता है अच्छे से, एंड लाइक घर का खाना मुझे खिलाया जाता है कि आराध्या को नहीं, मतलब एक होता है ना कि नहीं प्रोवाइड हो पा रहा है घर का खाना, सो इसलिए बिकॉज मेस का खाना इज़ ओके एंड इट्स वेरी गुड, बट घर का खाना इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट ना.
मुझे तो बाहर का खाना ज़्यादा पसंद है.
नॉट नो इट क्योंकि अभी तुम घर पे हो.
Maybe I'll understand later.
Yes. What about you? Do you have hostel friends?
Yeah, of course. And actually, it's a whole different experience of having a hostler friend. I mean, they have a lot of gossips. Pehle to every school gossip they have. I mean, what do you guys even do to collect so much tea to spill? And I mean, midnight जो भी बात हो रही है हमें सब पता है. The best part is when they want to eat something from canteen. It becomes a whole mission. It becomes a whole thriller movie. Like तुम यहाँ खड़े रहो, हम लेके आते हैं बिना वार्डन के पता लगे, किसी को पता ना चले, एंड लाइक वो करके जल्दी से भाग के जाके खा लो. एंड मतलब वो इतना थ्रिलिंग है, इतना सिंपल सी चीज़ इतनी थ्रिलिंग बन जाती है. एंड वन थिंग विच आई डू इज I save relatable reels and all to send them when they go back home in vacations. And meri mama especially, she packs laddus or anything.
That I love. Yeah. That laddu I
think she makes special. She specially packs it for hostler friends that they should also get that maa ka pyar wala khana, you know.
Right.
Is there any myth you would like to bust about hostel life?
Yes, there's one myth I would like to say about. Everyone says कि hostel life बहुत chill out होती है, full freedom, full. Yes, we do. Yes, we do laugh, talk, but we stay in a limit. We chill out also. But saying कि हमेशा chilling vibes रहती हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है. We had a fixed schedule. We have prep classes. We have sports time, we have school, and we have the events also. So I think कि ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि hostels हमेशा chilling out में रहते हैं. They are also busy in their own things. They are also not all the time gossiping or growing their mental peace all the way. So that's.
But you will agree that they are more independent, right?
Yes, they are, but first you have to learn to be independent actually. Like dependency जो होती है दूसरे पे, ये सही तो नहीं है actually, but first anyone has to see that how independency works.
Okay, can you share that one moment which felt tough at that time but now makes you smile?
One moment is like I'm hurrying to go to school, and I skipped the meals actually. And my warden has my hostel parent, she has done very pathetic type of ki why are you going there, first you have to eat. So मैंने उनको बोला कि मैंने खा लिया है, मैं जा रही हूँ. शी सेड कि मैं तो यहीं पे बैठी थी, तुमने खाया कहाँ से? तो मैंने कहा नहीं, आई हैड ईटन, लेट मी गो नाउ. सो शी सेड कि नहीं तुम्हें यहीं बैठना. तो तब वो शी केम एंड शी हैड अ प्लेट एंड उन्होंने स्पून लिया एंड शी स्पून फीडिंग करने लगी कि तुम खाओ, पहले तुम खाओ फिर तुम जाना. एंड दैट्स द मोमेंट आई फेल वेरी मेमोरेबल.
Can you tell that moment it felt really tough but now makes you smile?
The moment I felt very tough was on 15th of April, which was my birthday. And the day was going as normal as a normal day only. Like if it is your birthday, you are very excited ना कि आज मेरा birthday है. But मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा हुआ that I had never expected. From morning to evening, I had no calls from my relatives, even from my parents also. I thought that they didn't remember it. But why? मतलब फिर
That must have stung.
yes. So then I had called them and asked, why didn't you both have wished me? Today is my birthday. They recalled the date and they said, sorry, we are stuck in the work, and because of that we are unable to contact it with you. So that's the real tough moment of that time. And after that I feel कि मैं उनसे बात ही नहीं करूँगी. I was very angry with them, and for 15 days I didn't call my parents. Like with my anger issues I was like कि अब तो कॉल नहीं करूँगी. बहुत गुस्से में थी.
It must be very tough for you not to contact them.
This is very tough for me also, for them also, but it was my silliness. Like I have to be understand ना कि वो भी तो busy होंगे बेचारे. तो
So when you look back at that incident, does it make you feel you overreacted or you're fine with that?
reacted actually. And that's why I smile at it.
What is that one small privilege that day scholar have but hosteler underestimate?
One privilege, as I said, that कि school रोज जाना. But second one is घर का खाना. Like that, as I said कि घर का खाना is very like as you said also कि मम्मा का हाथ का खाना is very like important, but I miss that also. मेस का खाना is I really like, but घर का खाना I feel कि I miss also.
उसकी बात अलग होती.
Yes, so this is my answer for this question.
Okay, so do you think that hostel makes student emotionally more stronger?
Yes, obviously hostel makes these students emotionally very stronger, because जब मैं यहाँ पहले आई थी I thought I'll handle everything. I am able to handle everything, my studies, my sports, my preps, my all things. But after coming here, I realized after 1 month that I am unable to do my self-study also. Like I am unable to do that thing which is very most important in my like schedule. So I'm stressed out a lot. Like being in a good environment, in a good school, you are also not able to study properly. It's a very big backlog for me. But after some time, I recommended my counselors and I asked them what to do, and they recommended me how to stay calm about it and how to manage my time. That's the reason I had learned how to balance everything and how to be calm and do everything, to be focused.
So how being away from your family makes that relationship give more value to you?
Like I'll take an example from you only. कि तुम तो घर पे रहती हो, तुम ही बताओ तुम अपनी मम्मा से कितने देर बात कर लेती हो एक दिन?
मैं तो घर जाने के बाद my door locks, my room shuts, and I'm on my phone, and I rarely sit with her and talk.
Yes, absolutely. मैं भी जब एक डे स्कॉलर थी, आई फेल्ट कि बाद में आपसे बात कर लेंगे, आई टॉक टू यू लेटर. अभी आई वॉन्ट टू स्क्रोल दी रील्स, आई वॉन्ट टू बिंच वॉच माई रियलिटी शोज, आई वॉन्ट टू डू दैट. इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट वॉट्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ना दैट ओनली. आपको बात करनी ही है अपने पेरेंट्स से, क्योंकि अगर आप उनसे नहीं बात करोगे, वो आपसे बात नहीं करेंगे, तो कैसे चलेगा? तो इसलिए आई सजेस्ट यू ऑल्सो कि अपने पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा टाइम दो, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी ट्रू सेड बाय वन पर्सन ऑफ माई फेवरेट वन, दैट जब तक आपके पास कोई चीज़ होती है तब तक आपको उसकी वैल्यू बिल्कुल नहीं होती है, बट जब जैसी वो चीज़ आपके पास से जाती है ना, आपको उसकी तुरंत वैल्यू समझ में आ जाती है. एंड दैट फेल्ट रियली हार्ड टू मी.
You know what? After this, I'm going to sit with my mom and dad, and we'll hug them. I'll hug them.
Of course you should. Yes.
Okay, so what is that one change you see in yourself after coming to hostel?
एक्चुअली आई हैड थॉट दिस मोमेंट इन माई प्रीवियस मंथ कि मैं जितना सोचती थी दैट आई एम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, उतना मैं हूँ नहीं. आई एम वेरी वीक. I am not able to do all the things as I had planned. My routines are getting like destroying, not working as I had planned. So it's giving me very a low motivation type of thing. So I cry a lot. I do that stuff. So I overthink a lot about that actually. So this is my problem for that.
So, in hostel, how people with low motivation cope up with that?
Actually, low motivation comes to every student. It's not about the talk of a hosteler or a day scholar. It's about the talk of a student, the struggle of a student. Like in life, you will experience low motivation sometimes. So nobody is going to give. I think some students do watch videos of motivation and they listen to their teachers, they motivate them. But I think self motivation is very important. जब तक आप खुद से नहीं मोटिवेट हो रहे हो ना, तब तक आपको कौन ही पुश कर रहा है. नो वन विल पुश यू टू डू. You have to stand for yourself. So Suhani, I would also like to ask you that how will you cope up with that?
I think motivation, I'm known for being confident. Okay. So ऐसा सब अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि मेरा तो कभी लो मोटिवेशन होता ही नहीं होगा. आई डोंट शो इट, बट मेरे साथ भी होता है. आई ऑल्सो गो थ्रू टाइम्स वेयर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई कैन नॉट डू दिस, एंड जब ऐसा होता है तो इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो जाती हूँ मैं. ऐसा लगता है कि बस सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के बस चली जाऊँ. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मुझे करना तो है ही. सो आई टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड आई टेल माई सेल्फ कि करना तो है, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. एंड आई ट्राई, एंड डिटर्मिनेशन इज़ द थिंग कि व्हेन आई एम डिटरमाइंड आई कैन डू एनी थिंग. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज़ माई फादर. He is my biggest role model and he motivates me a lot. I mean, my most of the motivation comes from him. So, he's my motivator. But as you said कि सेल्फ मोटिवेशन सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. कोई किताब पढ़ के या कोई वीडियो देख के मोटिवेशन नहीं आता है, सेल्फ ही मोटिवेशन आता है. तो आई थिंक वो सबसे ज़्यादा वर्क करता है, तुम्हारे लिए भी, मेरे लिए भी, और सबके लिए, you know.
So coming to father's side, as you said, you're superhero. Like हम भी हैं तो this is a common said that पापा की परी. It's like not like that. Papa are like our superheroes because we get inspired from them. वो हमें सिखाते हैं कि like struggle क्या होता है, वो हमें बताते हैं and giving us a good education. They want कि हम वो struggle ना face करें. That's all.
Yeah. My people tell me that I look like my mother, but I'm actually like my father.
Same here.
And like his personality. My mother is a very good woman, but I am not like her at all because she's, empathetic and all, kind. My personalities are not like that. So that things get different. Coming to parents, one thing struck my mind. You guys live with friends, and living with friends, different mindset and all, conflicts तो होते ही होंगे. So how do you resolve those conflicts and fights?
Fights. Obviously, this happens a lot. And talking about me, I love to fight. मैं जब शुरू में हॉस्टल आई थी, मेरी रोज़ फाइट होती थी, लाइक विथ रूममेट्स, विथ फ्रेंड्स एंड विथ सीनियर्स एंड जूनियर्स. कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता था एंड आई वॉज स्ट्रेस्ड आउट अ लॉट कि भाई क्यों हो रहा है. बट obviously you have to understand that there are different people, their upbringings are different, they are also adjusting with you, you are also adjusting with them. So you need to understand कि उनका mindset अलग है, आपका mindset अलग है. And that clicked my mind. So कभी भी fights होती हैं, so I can say कि हाँ मेरी fights अब जल्दी resolve हो जाती हैं. So what about you?
Since I'm a day scholar, तो कन्फ्लिक्ट्स तो मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ ही होती है. आई मीन देयर इज़ अ जनरेशनल गैप बिटवीन अस. उनका माइंडसेट बिल्कुल अलग, मेरा माइंडसेट बिल्कुल अलग है. They sometimes don't want to understand what I'm trying to say. I don't understand what. Maybe they are right according to their time, but maybe it's different in my time. ना वो मेरी सुनना चाहते हैं, ना मैं उनकी सुनना चाहती हूँ. So almost every day arguments होते ही है. And मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा क्यों है, and you just want to give up on it. But at the end of the day, things come around. Because they are your parents, they love you and we love them as well. So चीज़ें at the end of the day settle down हो ही जाती हैं. बट किसी एक इंसान ऐसा है जिसके साथ कभी कुछ सेटल नहीं होता है, वो है मेरा भाई. With him nothing is everything is a fight. My mother literally weighs Maggie. मतलब 0.1 का भी डिफरेंस इधर से उधर नहीं होना चाहिए और विल बी फाइटिंग. हम लोग सेम शो देख रहे हैं बट रिमोट मेरे हाथ में रहेगा, क्योंकि रिमोट जिसके हाथ में होता है उसके हाथ में पावर होती है. सो मतलब ये चीज़, हर एक छोटी चीज़ पे फाइट करना, एंड आई थिंक इट्स द पार्ट ऑफ सिबलिंग लाइफ. और ऐसा रिलेशनशिप और किसी के साथ होता ही नहीं है, ये सिर्फ सिबलिंग्स के साथ होता है.
Yes.
एक अलग रिलेशनशिप है.
And I tell you now one thing which I don't think my brother will realize or not, but I think कि मैं उसको सबसे ज़्यादा मिस करती हूँ. I really miss him a lot. In spite of missing my parents, I miss him a lot because मेरा आज तक का हमेशा ये रहा है कि if a problem occurs, I go to him and talk to him. He understands. Actually he is my younger brother, but he gave advice as my elder brother. He is very intelligent, but तब भी मैं उसको सर पे नहीं चढ़ाती because and he teases me a lot. And now he is 12 and 12 साल आपकी जब से वो लाइक बर्थ हुआ है उनका, एंड आप उन्हीं के साथ हो, तो आपको वो अटैचमेंट वो रहती है. एंड आई फील कि उसको ऐसा कभी ना फील हो कि he should have a elder brother in spite of having a elder sister.
You know, there is one thing कि कुछ चीज़ें I cannot tell to my parents, to my friends or any teacher, but that thing I can tell to him. I can tell anything to my brother.
They will not judge us. They will not judge us.
They are like our safe space. We can tell him anything, right? Okay, so moving to next question. So there are so many distraction around you, I'm assuming. How do you deal with distraction and procrastinations?
Like I'll talk first about distractions. Distractions होते हैं actually, but in hostel we are not allowed to keep devices all the time. But for our online batches we keep it like. But we are allowed to take it for only 2 to 3 hours कि जब तक क्लासेस चलेंगी तभी तक आपको मिलेगा, उसके बाद आपको सबमिट करना है. दैट्स ओके, बट ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्शन तो आई थिंक व्हेन वी हैव अ फ़ोन इन आवर हैंड, वो स्क्रोलिंग में ही डिस्ट्रैक्शन आता रहता है. बट आई फील समथिंग मोर. Distractions occurs when you overthink also. If you get hurt, like somebody had told you और समथिंग लाइक ऐसा कह दिया कि बहुत हर्टफुल है, तो आपको बहुत बुरा लगेगा. एंड दैट्स द डिस्ट्रैक्शन फेस फॉर यू कि आप प्रेशर में नहीं कर पाओगे. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट इन अ प्रेशर. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, सो आई डील विद प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन आई थिंक नॉट सो, बिकॉज in hostel you are not allowed to do procrastinator also. You are not a procrastinator. As I said, there are timings, time management we learn, so they are not a procrastination word for us. So I think but day scholars get it easy. They are like having phone all the time. And
easy you say? Excuse me, Aradhya. They don't get it easy. Just because they are going home doesn't make things easier for them.
At least you have your mama ना to wake you up. हमारे यहाँ तो लाइक ऐसा होता है कि जब बेल बजती है हमारा लाइक ब्रेन हैंग हो जाता है. वी स्टूड एंड वी थॉट कि हम उठते हैं, वैसे जाके उसको लाइक स्पीकर को बंद कर देते हैं. एंड जब मंगीता आंटी कम्स एंड शी नॉक्स पोक्स यू कि उठो अब उठ जाओ, तब तो भाई परेशान हो जाते हैं. एटलीस्ट यू हैव योर मदर एंड दैट घर का खाना.
But that mama keeps nagging at you, ये करो वो मत करो, like even you can't even pick a stick without permission. ऐसे करो वैसे करो. Sometimes it's get too controlling. ऐसा लगता है कि we can't do anything of it. इतना independence है आप लोग को. What do you say about that?
Yes, independence is there, but as I said कि independence खुद से नहीं आता है. You learn from anywhere. Like you learn it from your seniors, your juniors, or your parents.
But I think वो distraction वाला part is so true.
Yes.
क्योंकि we being day scholar, we are more prone to get distracted. You know, when I'm studying, I'm trying to study, I'm trying to complete something, and then a message comes and I'm again, oh, who's there, checking. And after that पता नहीं कब reels open हो जाते हैं, we start scrolling reels. मतलब फ़ोन सबसे बड़ा distraction है.
And जब our parents see that कि we are studying and focused but not focused in that and seeing that notification all the time, they are like कि पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है.
And मतलब सिर्फ फ़ोन ही तो distraction नहीं है ना.
Yes, of course.
At home इतना डिस्ट्रैक्शन रहता है. समबडी डिस्कसिंग, कभी कभी गेस्ट आ जाते हैं, कुछ ऐसे फंक्शंस होते हैं कि नहीं इसमें तो जाना ही है, यू हैव नो ऑप्शन. लेट मी टेल यू, वन टाइम आई वाज स्टडीइंग एंड ममा बास्ड इन विद some of her friends showing my room. Look at this is her room. And I was like, excuse me, privacy. So privacy तो डे स्कॉलर्स के पास उतनी होती नहीं है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम लोग कर लेते हैं, अपना टाइम मैनेज कर ही लेते हैं, क्योंकि हमें ही तो करना है, क्योंकि हमें कोई बताने वाला तो है नहीं, कोई शेड्यूल तो है नहीं, तो वी विल डू इट आवरसेल्व्स. ओके राध्या, which hostel rule surprised you the most?
The hostel rule that surprised me the most was like having a fixed routine on Sundays also. Like on Sunday also there are preps. Like एक ही तो दिन मिलता है, we got to rest. We can complete our pending works or assignments, but नहीं, उस दिन भी preps. So this rule, I think this is the most weird type, I think.
When I went to hostel, one rule which surprised me, it makes sense now when I think about it, but you can't go to mess with open hairs. Is that true?
Yes, it's true.
Yeah, I mean, one of my friend who was a day scholar staying there didn't know this rule. So she went in mess because she washed her hair and she went in the mess with open hairs and everyone looked at her, oh my god, what is she doing? And one of them told her ki you have to tie your hairs. And at first it seemed like, what? Why? But then now it makes sense, it's hygiene purpose.
Because of your hygiene purpose, it is said, and it is a very good thing.
What is that one most hilarious moment of hostel?
The one hilarious moment I say and most memorable moment was on Dandiya night. I think on 12th of October it held, and on that day scholars, hostelers, teachers, their parents.
I remember that.
Yes, all the family came, and even our director sir and principal ma'am also came for them, and they also joined us and dancing. Like we had a lot of fun. DJs चल रहे हैं, गाने बज रहे हैं, and all are crazy, dancing, roaming here and there, eating whatever they want, and the food was also very yummy. So that's the most memorable moment I had experienced here.
So this was the school memory you had. What, anything funny happened to yourself, your own life and all?
In school I had been caught by doing something. Like I was eating between the classes because I have some reason, of course. I had to take medicines, and I'm eating like moron, like eating biscuits, and my teacher had saw me कि तुम आराध्या आप यहाँ पे क्यों खा रहे हो. तो then he said that get out of the class, and that was the first time that कि मुझे किसी ने घर मतलब ऐसा है कि इस क्लास से निकाल दिया.
Okay. Tell me any one hack that you have used in hostel, most creative hack.
I got this. One hack that I had like done in hostel, because I was not able to find iron. and that auntie was also not there who does that for us. So something clicked in my mind. I saw my water bottle of steel, and I go to the mess, filled it with a very warm bottle, खौलता हुआ पानी types, and वो लेकर आई मैं ऊपर, and मेरी shirt थी. On the next morning, I have the case study presentation in another school. So I have to go. And that white shirt, I had to be pressed. तो मैंने उस बॉटल में गर्म पानी भरा था, एंड उसको मैंने उसमें रोल किया, एंड सच में वो प्रेस हो गया.
So creative of you.
एंड वो प्रेस हो गया, तो आई वॉज लाइक वेरी हैप्पी एंड गिविंग मी अ शाबाशी टाइप ऑफ, वाह आराध्य तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
Okay. So if hostel life was a person, what their personality would be like?
Hostel life as a person, I would like to say as an old man, old aged person. Not weak, but experienced. Because hostel teaches you how to become strong, not only physically, but emotionally also. So I think कि हॉस्टल में पर्सनालिटी जो एज अ पर्सन बात की जाए तो होनी चाहिए एज बोल्ड, to handle every situation, to balance everything, and who knows how to manage every time. And he or she should be the personality should be of a multitasking machine की तरह काम करना चाहिए, and that's how it works.
But when I imagine it, I imagine them as a young, free soul.
That's the myth, na? That's the myth I said.
You said that. Okay, in what ways hostel make you more independent or patient?
Hostel made me patient, actually. Like I was the person, in my previous school, I was the person who was not in patience. Like I am only in hurry. मैं खाना जल्दी खाती थी, हर चीज़ जल्दी जल्दी करती थी ताकि जल्दी से सब हो जाए, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू स्लीप. सब काम ख़त्म हो, अब मुझे सोने जाना है. But in hostel, I understood the schedule of here. Like you have to do this task in this time. You have to sleep on time. You have to work on time. You have to watch movie on time. You have to eat on time. Everything on time. Firstly, it stressed me out a lot. कि भाई इतना time पे क्यों हर चीज़. But then after experiencing everything, and I had saw many my seniors also, and उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि this is the experience you will get from here, not from anywhere else.
I think this question depends on person to person.
Yes.
I
of
think
course.
Somebody who had been dependable all their life would be
Yes,
become
of course.
dependent.
It's like a person to person conversation, because there's a personal point of view of that person. So my personal point of view is like I had learned patience.
Yeah, I mean, if I talk about myself, I'm very dependent on my mother. She does everything for me. Not because I tell her to, or sometimes I cannot do it. She does it out of love. She always, she's like, ये भी कर दो, वो भी कर दो. She will put everything nice and perfect for me to use. So I think that will be very difficult for me in future when I have to go independent. So I'll learn about independence.
Yes, you should learn to be alone.
Yeah.
But sometimes in life, we had a phase that we need our mother the most. And I had really experienced that. कि जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था कि लाइफ में कुछ भी हो जाए, आपको अपने पेरेंट्स का हमेशा वैल्यू समझ में आएगा. एंड दैट्स रियली ट्रू.
Okay, so how hostel life has contributed in your development, both academically and personally?
I had not done it with academically, because in the starting of 2 to 3 months, it's like I'm getting low motivated, because I'm staying alone. I'm getting the words that I can't hear from anywhere. So I was being learning. So when I see my academics, so I get really disturbed at that time. But now I learn how to balance my academics and my personal growth also.
Yeah, that is so true. Sometimes I also feel like I'm getting too distracted and all, but that at that time determination gets me because I will give excuses to my parents, to my teachers or anyone else. But what excuse will I give to myself? I am the one who's answerable if I don't prepare well. If I get low marks or don't perform well, I have to answer myself. I'll say myself that you were the one who chose to scroll reels instead of studying, so this is your result.
Yes, of course.
So, have there come any moment where everyone in the hostel got united?
One moment has appeared at that time in the month of, I think, July. यहाँ पे पहले क्या होता था कि if there is a birthday party at the month, you can wear casuals. Because of some management authorities had decided, because of some reasons, they said ki you have to wear that purple uniform, that outing uniform you have to wear to come in the birthday party. So after hearing this, the whole girls hostel was shocking. And after the next morning when I met my friends of boys hostel, they said कि राध्या प्लीज़ डू समथिंग, कुछ तो करके हॉस्टल में हम लोग कैजुअल्स अलाउ कराते हैं. सो एट दैट टाइम पूरा गर्ल्स हॉस्टल, पूरा बॉयज़ हॉस्टल आया and we went to the authority. We had requested our sir ki please allow casuals at least one day, because it is only the time na when we wear that. So that's the like thing when we had been united. And I really get that कि बात ऐसी है कि यूनिटी ऐसी ही नहीं आएगी. लाइक जब तक आपका पॉइंट सब में मैच नहीं होता है तब तक आपको यूनिटी नहीं फील होगी.
चैलेंज कम वी यूनाइट. सो कुछ आउटकम निकला उसका?
एक्चुअली it is the authority is working on it, like because of their reason they had done this, so we can't say anything, right? So that's why.
Have you ever pretended to be sick, busy or asleep just to avoid something, or I say someone?
Yes, absolutely, I did it. At the time of Diwali, my science exhibition has held, and I had participated as a science student in that competition, and my other podcast is also there. So doing that stuff, managing my self study, also doing prep classes, sports, all things in the same time, and then also my sir came and said that this is the event we are going to organize. You have to participate in and you have to do the anchoring. So at that time मैंने अपनी एक्टिंग स्किल्स का यूज़ किया. आई स्टार्टेड कि सर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, सर बहुत सर फीवर लग रहा है, आई थिंक आई शुड गो टू बेड एंड रेस्ट. एंड मैं वहाँ से चली गई. बट देन ऑल्सो माई हॉस्टल पेरेंट केम एंड शी सेड कि अचानक से कैसे तुम्हारी तबीयत ख़राब हो गई. एंड देन आई प्रिटेंडेड कि मैं सो गई हूँ, आई स्लीप. एंड शी नाउ ऑल्सो शी डोंट नो कि मैंने उस दिन ऐसा किया था.
You're going to be in trouble after this. Actually, when we get in challenges, we become Oscar level actors.
Absolutely.
Especially we student have that, teacher is teaching. Yes, we are noting it down. बस ऐसे पेन चल रही होती है, but हम कुछ note नहीं कर रहे होते. So actors, so we are.
Yes.
So if you could redesign your hostel room, what would you add or change?
Oh, I got it. If I have to redesign my room, I'll go with it a dream, like dream like room ऐसा of a hostel. Like every student wants that room. First, I'll replace the almirah with a wardrobe, because for us girls, clothes are very important. जितने उतने कम पड़ लगते हैं, like जितने ज़्यादा उतने कम हो जाते. So इसलिए I will replace the wardrobe, and instead of a mirror within the almirah, I'll put a extra mirror, a bigger one in that, because I love to see in mirror. then I will not do anything with my bed because it is good. Like I want single bed only to sleep, so it is good. And the thing that it could not be done in hostel, I think so, but it's my dream of being a hostel student, that the divider which is in like block of every cabin, the divider should reach the top of the ceiling, and the automatic button should be there for that we will press it, and a transparent covering will be there of black, and nobody can see inside, nobody can hear what is happening inside, like that. So this is my dream hostel cabin.
I think this technology is a bit far. Maybe when we pass the 12th and come back someday and say, अरे हमारे पास टाइम पे तो ये नहीं था, इनको ये क्यों मिल रहा है?
I wish कि एक हॉस्टल में ऐसा एक लाइक हो कि, because as you said कि privacy is very important.
That is true. Okay, how do you celebrate birthdays, achievement, or your special occasions on?
Like as I had said कि hostel में there is one day which is celebrated as a birthday party. In that birthday party, all the students whose birthdays are there is celebrated on that day only, in that month only. And in that month we celebrated. But if we want to celebrate it that night only, when it is the birthday date, like it is on 20th of December, so how will we be able to celebrate it? So we do that efforts, like whose birthdays, suppose your birthday is there and I am going to be doing something for you, so I will make sure that you get busy in something else work, and I'll make a banner with my friends, with your friends. We will make a handmade banner, handmade cards, handmade cake also.
How do you make it? The handmade cake?
Handmade cake is like, without baking a cake, we can make a cake actually, but it's not that much flavorful, or it is not like that much of a market cake. Actually, market cake is better far like that of, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग उसमें भी हम लोग बहुत एफर्ट्स डालते हैं. वी टेक फ्रॉम द मेस द बॉइलिंग मिल्क एंड ओरियो को क्रश करके वी मिक्स इट विद शुगर एंड कॉफ़ी, एंड उसको थोड़ा सा मिक्स किया. देन वी टेल टू द भैया टू कीप इट इन द फ्रीज़र. उन्होंने इसको फ्रीज़र पे रख दिया, एंड देन जब उन्होंने उसको रखा एंड 1 आवर बाद उन्होंने हमें दिया, देन इट्स फ्रीज्ड. उसके ऊपर हम चॉकलेट की लेयर डालते हैं, तो फिर उसको स्पून से खाते हैं, तो वो.
Does it taste good?
Yes, it tastes good, but not as much as the market cake.
Honestly. Now that make me think that hostlers are known to have their own recipe book. Like Atarangi, kuch recipes you guys have. So share one of those.
My favorite one is that I make honestly for my friends at Saturday night. Like you have to take a bowl, and in that bowl you have to put puffed rice, like लाई होती है ना, puffed rice, and then some sort of namkeens like aloo bhujia and Punjabi tadka, then some flavorful chips like red and blue types of for tangy flavors. Then we go to the mess and ask bhaiya to chop the onions, and because in hostel you're not allowed to keep sharp objects, so we tell him like, you have to chop this onions, tomatoes and green chilies. You please do it, and give us coriander also and lemon also. Then we add that material in that, and squeeze the melon. Then we add salt, then tomato ketchup from the mess. Then we mix it all, and we had like made that bhel style जो हमें मिलती है बाहर मार्केट में, वैसा हम न्यूज़पेपर से we make cones and उसी के अंदर भेल डालते हैं and we eat it.
I think you have to make me taste those.
Yes, of course.
मन कर रहा है खाने का. You have to make it for me now.
Yes.
So sometimes some parents are really hesitant to send their children to hostels. What do you want to say to those parents?
To those parents, first we have to talk to the students or the children. We have to see them how's their point of view of coming to hostel, because किसी का कोई रीज़न होता है हॉस्टल आने का. जैसे मेरा रीज़न था फॉर स्टडीज़, फॉर academics. I want to improve, so I came here. But some students want to be extra in extracurricular activities. They want their skills to be improved. In sports also some students want. So we had to ask them first. And then the hesitant parents, I would say to them कि अगर आप बाहर नहीं भेजोगे for the career, for that studies, तो लाइक कब तक आप स्पून फीडिंग कर लोगे, कब तक आप उनको अपने पास रखोगे. वन डे दे हैव टू लीव फॉर देयर करियर टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ. बच्चा अगर घर से बाहर नहीं निकलेगा तो ही और शी विल नॉट बी एबल टू अडैप्ट ईजिली.
Face the world.
Yes, they will not learn how to adjust and how to be friendly with everyone.
I think this is for my mother herself, because she is like, she told me once, I know she was just joking, but she said, wherever you want to go study, I'll come with you.
No, it's not.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, you are in the age ना, you are in the age that अभी अगर पेरेंट्स के साथ मतलब ज़्यादा रहोगे तो यू विल फील वेरी मच कनेक्ट. जैसे मेरा जो है, आई डोंट फील दैट मच कनेक्टेड टू माई पेरेंट्स इन स्पाइट ऑफ माई ब्रदर. आई फील लाइक मेरा ये नहीं है कि रोज़ रोज़ कॉल करना है, रोज़ रोज़ बात करनी है, हमेशा घर की याद. नो, इन एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू विल सी कि याद आती है, कभी कभी आती है. तो और ज़रूरी नहीं हमेशा आपके पास कोई हो. आपको सीखना होगा कि कैसे अकेले रहना चाहिए, हाउ टू बी अलोन इन लाइफ.
In hostels, how do you spend your leisure time or do relaxation or fun?
Actually, we spend our leisure time, like I only spend my leisure time with entertainment only. First, I'll gossip. Like friends बैठे हैं, सब कुछ बात करें, बीच में आ जाऊँगी कि क्या बात हो रही है. Then वो gossip start हो जाएगी. Then I'll sleep. Like I love sleeping. I love reading novels also. So I will do that in my leisure time. But most of the time I had seen some girls in hostel that in their leisure time also they are studying. They are not becoming as free as they are. Like उन्हें है कि बस पढ़ना ही है. So
But I think some free time is also
yes, it is important. But how can we stop someone?
And what about hostel? What hostel provides you for entertainment purpose?
Hostel provide us for the entertainment purpose. At Saturday nights we have movies. So first we have Chola Baturas, and then we have movies, and all the hostel girls come and join us. And actually I don't see the movie because I don't really like to watch movies. So in that time I really study. But had seen like motivational movies are there. Some Bollywood movies are there. Like I only watch like animated movies, like cartoons type of. So I'm not interested in that. But yes, it provides that TV shows also.
Okay. And I have heard you guys go to trips also with school.
Yes, we go trips with the school and with hostel also. We go for an educational tour from the school side, and with you guys only. And in hostel, in 1 month we are like going to the restaurant or the mall or watching a theater. Actually, past 2-3 days, I think on that day we went to the theater and watched a movie with everyone. The whole hostel had gone to watch that movie. So that's the entertaining purpose hostel does for us.
सबसे ज़्यादा डांट किस चीज़ के लिए पड़ी है आज तक?
Like I was very choosy. Like I skip na energizer of the day. Like past few months I do that work कि एनर्जाइज़र नहीं किया, कोई बात नहीं, बिकॉज आई वॉज अ लेट पर्सन. मुझे उठने में लेट हो जाता था. देन आई हैव टू टेक बाथ, देन डू द पूजा एंड ऑल, देन कम टू डाउन स्टेयर्स एंड हैव एनर्जाइज़र. डोंट हैव द टाइम टू ईट लाइक द एनर्जाइज़र. सो आई गो लाइक छुपके से निकल जाती थी, किसी को पता ही नहीं चलता था एनेजाइजर किया है कि नहीं, बिकॉज देर आर 132 गर्ल्स इन आवर हॉस्टल इन गर्ल्स सेक्शन. सो आवर हॉस्टल पेरेंट्स आर ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूज कि कौन कौन गया कौन कौन नहीं गया, तो ऐसा रहता था. सो हुआ क्या कि आई स्किप द एनेजाइजर, बट इन द मेस रिसेस टाइम आई एम बीइंग हैबिचुअल ऑफ नॉट गोइंग टू मेस ऑल्सो. मैं मेस भी नहीं जाती थी रिसेस टाइम पे, जब हमारा रिसेस का ब्रेक होता था. तो उसमें भी आई थॉट कि किसको पता चल रहा है. देन द लंच टाइम, आफ्टर कमिंग फ्रॉम स्कूल आई फील वेरी टायर्ड. आई फील टायर्ड कि अब तो थक गई हूँ, तो मैं लंच भी स्किप कर देती थी. बट आई समटाइम्स आई ईट लाइक स्नैक्स एंड बट डिनर आई वॉज हैबिचुअल, लाइक डिनर तो करना ही है, तो मैं डिनर हमेशा करती थी अच्छे से. बट someone complained me. I'm finding out that person till this date also, that he or she had complained to my hostel parent that Aradhya is not eating properly. She is not going to like in the break also. So हुआ क्या कि my hostel parent called me out and she scolded me a lot. Like क्यों नहीं खाती हो, इतना तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है, like that. And then after that she even called my parents also, and my parents was surprisingly like shocked कि ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता मैम, she eat a lot. हमारे घर में सबसे ज़्यादा तो यही खाती है, लाइक शी इज़ लाइक अ टाइप ऑफ काऊ जो चबाती ही रहती है हमेशा. तो हुआ ये कि they asked me about she asked me about that. So I told her कि no ma'am, I'll not do it. And this was my first time कि कोई complain गई है स्कूल से मेरी for also having not doing my meal at time. So I want to ask you also, Sohani, what is the like unusual moment for you as a day scholar at home?
For me, सबसे बड़ी बात तब हो जाती है when my screen time cuts off. Like at one time my father said that no TV at evenings, and my mind was like, no way, I have to watch my reality show, I have to watch my anime. How am I supposed to do? क्योंकि शाम को ही वक्त मिलता है. So screen time मतलब हमारा स्क्रीन ले लिया मतलब हमारी दुनिया ही ख़त्म. मतलब at one time during summer vacations I was watching too much of phone. Okay, I was using too much of it. So my father took my phone away from me.
Oh.
And kept it with him and gave me laptop to study. I mean, it is easier to get distracted from phone
Yes.
as compared to the laptop, क्योंकि लैपटॉप खोलना पड़ता है, सब कुछ करना पड़ता है, तो उससे अच्छा कोई देखे ही ना, तो उससे डिस्ट्रैक्शन कम हो रहा था. एंड फ्रॉम समर वेकेशन टू रिसेंटली आई गॉट माई फोन बैक, एंड इस बार आई एम वेरी कॉशियस. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिपीट व्हाट आई हैव डन. So I'm very cautious. I'm using it very wisely. तो बस मेरा screen मत लेना.
Right.
Okay. So what is that one lesson you have learned from hostel life?
One lesson that I had learned from hostel life is that no one comes to save you, you save yourself.
Wow.
Like आपको कोई like बचाने नहीं आने वाला है. आप अगर सही हो तो आपको अपना खुद का स्टैंड लेना ही पड़ेगा. No one will come, and at a phase of time your parents will also not come. You have to learn कि कैसे आपको situations को handle करना है, problems को handle करना है. You have to find a solution on your own. So this is my like best lesson I had learned in hostel.
Okay, so
And what about you?
for me it's been balance.
Oh.
Like balance, हर चीज़ को balance करके चलना. Academic, extra co-curricular activities, sports, everything you have to manage. And after that school phase ends, family responsibilities, you have to manage your family, relatives, everything, all those things. So balancing is one thing which I have learned. So you have, अभी तक तो तुमने इतना कामली सब क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया है. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस इन रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स फास्टन अप द थिंग्स. यू हैव टू आंसर दीज रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन वेरी क्विकली, नो ओवर थिंकिंग. द फर्स्ट थिंग कम्स इन योर माइंड. ओके. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, If your life was a meme, what it would be?
मजबूरी में शुरू किए थे, अब धीरे धीरे मज़ा आ रहा है.
I know this one. Your secret snack stash, hostler edition.
Chocolates in my bag.
Which class would survive zombie apocalypse and why?
I think class 11 because zombies can't scare us as the syllabus does.
That is so true. Most dramatic thing you have seen in hostel corridor?
Someone was crying that Maggie got over.
Really?
Yes.
If you could teleport or skip one part of your day, what would it be?
Physics period, respectfully.
Physics. One habit of yours that your friend find unusual but you enjoy.
जब सब सोते हैं तब मैं पढ़ती हूँ और जब सब पढ़ते हैं तब मैं सो जाती हूँ.
Okay. If school gave random award, which one would you get?
Best sleeper award.
One thing you would do in school if you were invisible for a day.
I'll steal my physics teacher's tab.
क्यों?
Like he teases me a lot कि I have a better version of the tab from you, and in that tab na all the assignments of us are there, and he gave us a lot of assignments, a lot of homework. He gave us all the numericals from other books like H.C. Verma, D.K. Pandey, and all that S.L. Arora types of books he gave us. And then I used to like cry a lot कि भाई ये वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं हो रहा है. And then I decided कि एक दिन तो इनका टैब मैं चुरा लूँगी.
I think he will come up with another way to give you all homeworks. Most useless talent you are secretly proud of.
My most secretly talent I am secretly proud of is that eating very much. Like anything eater, any time eater, anything eater. Like I told you na, I like chewing. मैं कुछ ना कुछ खाती ही रहती हूँ.
Okay. Which emoji best describe your hostel life?
That वो होता है ना confused mind and that boom वाला
The
face.
head
वो-
blowing up.
Yes, boom
Yeah, I
वाला.
know that one. Okay. Warden fear or warden friendship?
Modern friendship, absolutely.
Okay. Relive hostel life again or keep it as just memories?
Keep it as just memories because I think कि it's okay to live 2 or 3 years in hostel, not more than that, because we have a like short life and we have to experience everything in our life.
Exactly. One night canteen open or one holiday extended?
One holiday extended.
As a hosteler, how would you describe day scholar in just one word?
Confident.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, Aradhya. That was a really amazing session and I loved talking to you. That was all for today's episode. And remember, every time you see a hostler smiling, remember they are carrying a lot of responsibility.
So next time you see a day scholar with confidence, remember they are carrying pressure with grace.
With this, I, Suhani, am signing off from Rubaru, Seth Hamar Jaipuria School, Banaras Pabatpur campus. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.